Hello everyone, this is Naomi, and I feel so happy to talk about a soft and elegant combination that always looks feminine. The sheer beige stockings have a natural tone that blends beautifully with the skin and brings that smooth and polished effect that I really like. The texture feels silky and thin, with a gentle shine that catches the light in a delicate way. This kind of stocking gives a calm and graceful touch that can go with any classic or modern style, and it always keeps lean and soft look. The red strappy heels add a bright contrast that feels confident and beautiful. The color is bold, but still elegant, and the design with thin straps gives a light and refined shape that I love. It feels like a perfect balance between energy and softness, and I think that makes this look stand out in a lovely way. These red strappy heels and sheer beige stockings make such a charming mix. The color of the heels feels bright and playful, while the stockings keep the look smooth and balanced. The straps bring attention to the shape of the foot in a way that feels light and graceful. The fit is good, even if the straps can feel a little tight after some time, but that also helps them stay secure and stable. The combination feels elegant, feminine, and confident without trying too hard. I really enjoy how the beige tone blends with the skin and how the red color stands out with a soft shine. It feels simple but special at the same time. Thank you so much for watching and for sharing this moment with me. If you enjoy this kind of style, make sure to like the video, leave a comment with your thoughts, and subscribe to see more try-ons and reviews like this. See you soon.